Didn't work out very well, did it? Anyway, my heart's going a bit now. Yeah, welcome back to the Fossil Academy. Safety first, don't leave wires dangling down where you can trip over them. Right, first things first. I'm going to crack on with this bad boy. And we're going to try and reveal a lot more of this, try and get a bit more of this rock down today. Remember, this one is sat on a blown ammonite that I thought was going to be absolutely terrible, but turns out it could actually look quite nice from this side. I've got to piece back this bit from that down there just to keep that really nice nodule. I don't think that's not going to take too much time, to be honest, but yeah, we'll see. So a bit of restoration for the matrix. I'm hoping that ammonite there, that one, is going to be a Bobby Dazzler, but yeah, it's going to be good. I'm so glad I didn't damage my lamp. I've scratched my lamp. Such a nice angle poise. I've just blapsed it onto the floor. Numpty. First things first as well, what we're drinking tonight. Cheers. Do you know what? I could quite happily drink that all night. Good stuff, that. Right, it's going to help a lot, that. Let's crack on with this bad boy. It's going to be a long night. Oh yeah, I went out not yesterday, the day before. Phil phoned me up and or sent me a text and asked me if I wanted to be on Telebox. So I was filming for the afternoon. Awesome crew, really nice people, really nice presenter, Chris Summit. I can't remember your name, Chris, second name, sorry mate. It was really nice chap, really nice family as well. They were lovely, lovely couple, really nice. And yeah, it was good. It was a bit weird because, like, I wanted to, well, I don't reckon I can tell you, you'll have to watch the programme, but I'll tell you when it's out on telly and what it is. I don't think I'm allowed to say yet, but yeah, I'm going to be on Telebox, proper Telebox, not YouTube Telebox, proper Telebox, BBC. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Yeah, I was pretty stoked with that. But anyway, I'm just waffling out. Let's crack on. So I've penned it down. We're getting a few more ribs out. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna change this to. Change it, pardon me. Yeah, I'm back in to crack on with this block. First things first, though. I noticed I was penning, and it's like, why does my pen feel like you know, I'm trying to do this with, I don't know, an aubergine. Do you know what I mean? It weren't cutting the rock and everything, but I checked my point on my pen. Yeah, and it's a bit on the blunt side. So what I'm going to do is sharpen it up. And what I've got for that are these. Basically, they're what I use for when I go sea fishing and I sharpen the hooks up. So yeah, I'm going to give it a blast. Take it out of the pen, give it a blast, see if I can sharpen them up. Make them nice, make it a nice point, and now I'm going to crack on. Yeah, these are pretty pants for doing that. They need to be, you know, I think these would be all right if you were sharpening a point from like an arrow pen or something like that, like a smaller pen. With the tungsten carbide points, I don't sharpen them all that often. Yeah, they last for quite some time. So yeah, if anyone's got any ideas how to sharpen them a bit better without a belt, you know, diamond belt, yeah, give us give us a comment and tell us how I can do it a bit better. But yeah, right, I'm gonna crack on, pen this, drink my beer, listen to my music, and if out exciting happens, I'll yeah, we'll get on it. Game on.